3, 2, 1, go!
So 4 robots on this table, 2 for Italy and 2 for Germany. And so Greenbirds is already building Spotlight as well as UniCT-Team. And so Italy is already 2 buckets of popcorns, and yeah, I forgot about that. They give the small ball to the other robot, and Greenbirds is also collecting more popcorns to fill all the bucket. Put the extra popcorn on the table and 1 bucket, and so Italy has put okay, so Italy has originally put the okay, so the robot from Italy fell, and so the referees are wondering what to do. And so we have already Greenbot building many spotlights and doing claps. I think that's not the end of the... Okay, that's the end of the match. I think this table will be difficult to discuss on, and so we will let the referees and the teams discuss on this table. So Titus, maybe we can start our next match.